Okay, student, you just see the question which I added. Write first, then see the full video. Okay, students, so this is for class 10 BRS, a new question where we will going to learn about the overdraft balance. So before on those video or on those classes, I never teach you overdraft. So now for class 10 accountancy, I'm going to teach you the overdraft balance, where to write and how to reconcile it. So you know what is BRS and all, so I'm directly going to question, and this question will be given at before starting the video. So you just write down the question and try to solve by your own after seeing this video. So now, so here said that prepare bank reconciliation statement for the year ended 31st March 2010. So samely you have to write here also bank reconciliation statement below as on. Whenever there will be statement, you have to write as on, not the for year ended. So you have to write that bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March, then comma, the year 2010. So you know the format. This is the particular amount plus and minus. So now we are going to solve the we're going to know how to solve this. Okay, now the first question is overdraft. Whenever it will be overdraft, whether cash book or passbook, the balance will come in minus side. Every time you have to memorize it. Whenever there will be overdraft balance, whether it is cash book or passbook, you have to write your balance or your amount in minus column, not in plus column. Okay, overdraft means minus. So now here written this overdraft balance as per cash book. So we wrote overdraft balance as per cash book, and though it is overdraft, means you withdrawn more than you have deposited, so it will be in minus column. Now the next question is, or the next point is, check issued to Mr. X but he forgot to present it. So you issued means what? You know that you already issued means your amount have been deducted, but he forgot to what? He forgot to present. For that reason you still have your money in your account, but you recorded minus. So though we are doing the cash book, we have to follow the passbook. In cash book it become minus, then automatically on passbook it will come plus. So you have to write in the add side, that is check issued but not presented, rupees 5000 on plus column. I think this one clear. Now next is check deposited but not collected. You deposited a check. Deposited means you deposit money on your account. You know this, that your money have been added in your account, but it has not added yet. So though it is not added, so you have to write in less column. Though we are following the passbook, and passbook it became minus. So check deposited, you have to write your amount in minus column, that is rupees 2000. Now next, the fourth point is customer directly deposited check into bank. So now customer has directly deposited the check into bank. So what he have done, he directly deposited check into bank. That means your passbook have been increased, but you don't know by sitting at home. Which example I also gave earlier also, that how will you came to know if anyone gifted you money when you will be outside. So samely, your customer, without saying you anything, he deposited the money. So though he deposited, a passbook increase, so it plus, we have to write our customer directly deposited check into bank. Though we are writing cash book, we have to follow the passbook. In passbook it became plus, so we have to write in the add side on the plus column, so 900. Okay. Now the fifth point is bank charges. So bank, without knowing, without informing you, will charge something. So when he charge, you know that you have money in your account, but no, it has already been charged by bank. So bank charges, it will come in less column. Why less? Because we are doing cash book and we have to follow the passbook, and passbook it become minus. When bank charge, they never inform you. When we went to reconcile it, on that time we came to know that our money have been charged by bank. That means our passbook have been decreased. Now when passbook is decreased and we have to follow the passbook, so we have to write in the less column. So bank charges rupees 50 on minus side. Okay, now the last is allowed interest. I think you all know this, where it will come. If it is allowed interest means passbook plus, passbook has increased, but you don't know by sitting at your home that your passbook has increased, so in cashbook it will be minus. Allowed interest means bank has give interest on your account. The money which you have deposited on the bank, on against this, a bank has allowed you interest. So when it is interest, that means your passbook has increased. Your passbook has increased means you have to write in at column. So bank allowed interest. So it is 100 in plus side. So now to you know what to do, what to not. Now you have to do the sum of both the side. So in plus column we got 6,000, and in minus column we got 6,050. So 50 is balancing amount. So we have to write the balancing amount on below the column which have the highest value. So highest value it is in minus side. So in minus side you have 6,050 and on plus side you have 6,000. So okay student, so after writing the value, so this minus side is greater, so it came overdraft balance. So you can write balance as per passbook, debit the balance figure on minus side, or you can also write overdraft balance as per passbook. So you can write as per you want. So this is the next video on BRS. So I think somehow your doubt have been cleared on overdraft balance, and on next video I will going to teach you overdraft balance as per passbook. So this is as per cashbook. On next video we are going to do overdraft balance as per passbook. Thank you student.